After spending 98 days inside the Bigg Boss house, we finally have a winner in Urvashi Dholakia. Urvashi, congratulations.
Thank you.
Do you think it's worth the wait, 98 days?
I think it's worth the experience, not worth the wait.
Okay.
क्योंकि मुझे wait किसी चीज का नहीं था. I was not waiting for anything in the first place.
But 3 weeks extended to 98.
Yeah, 3 weeks extended to 98, but every day I had fun.
The winner is Urvashi Dholakia.
So I would say 98 days worth the experience.
Alright. So tell me, what was your best experience inside the Bigg Boss house? Probably some time spent at the kitchen, some time you spent with the housemates out there. What was the best thing according to you that you would take back along with you?
Every day was a new day, and every day was quite different from the previous. So every day was very exciting in its own way. I think I would take back each moment, all the good moments. Bad moments, I think I've had 4 or 5 bad moments in the house.
मेरे ऊपर हाथ उठाया यार उसने. She's not supposed to charge at me. Who is she to touch me? यार उठ यहाँ से यार, साली मोटी भैंस. माता जी का नाम होना था, भैंस का नाम होना था ये उर्वशी. सबसे बड़ी भैंस यार तू ही है.
So I'm going to leave that पीछे, like I think everybody does. So the rest of the good days, how many? 98 minus 5. So you can guess, about 93 days I'm taking back with me.
Alright, congratulations for those 93 days again. Also, someone you wish that couldn't have been a part of this Bigg Boss season 6, somebody shouldn't have entered the house when you were staying in.
No, I would never say that for anybody, because everybody who comes on this platform has an identity, and and I think the channel and the production and everybody who research and the creative team, they do a lot of research to get the right people on the show. So that would be very mean of me to say that, oh, this person should not have been on the show. I'm sure that you cannot demean them or negate their creativity.
Alright. Also, one person, Imam Siddiqui, has been, no doubt one of the best entertainers in the show. But a lot of housemates weren't really happy with the kind of behavior they saw with Imam. So, what do you have to say about Imam in particular?
See, when I was upset with Imam, I expressed myself to him, loudly, subtly, in every possible manner. When I was nice to him and he was nice to me, things were absolutely fine. So it's basic human nature. I think, it's a give and take relationship. And Imam he's a fantastic entertainer. Sometimes he's extremely funny. And you cannot debate that. So, yeah, I wish him all the best.
और नेक्स्ट टाइम एक्स-वाइफ एक्स हस्बैंड के बारे में बात की ना, मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. मुंह तोड़ दूंगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम मुझे एक्स हस्बैंड एक्स वाइफ के बारे में बात की शो पे मुंह तोड़ दूंगा तेरा. याद रख, तेरे से बात कर रहा हूँ, सुन ले. बिकॉज बहुत सुन लिया मैंने भी.
सुन रहा हूँ, देख रहा हूँ. आ जा. पलटी क्यों मारा बे? मेंढक के जैसी पलटी मार के उल्टा हो गया.
Just before we sign off, what do you think made you win this title for yourself?
Being myself. Just being myself.
Thank you so much for talking to us. So that was Urvashi Dholakia, and she's really happy, and I think you're waiting to go back home, right?
Terribly waiting.
So please go home, have fun.
Thanks.
Thank you. In Mumbai with Vijay Kalpesh Abhishek Datta for News X.